Day stock review here with Breakout Trading. The day is October 5th, and what a day we had. A massive bullish day, and this is a really good sign for the bulls going forward. And it seems like every Monday we gap up big and have a nice strong day, at least for the past month it seems like. So what's the SPY doing? We've been in this little chop zone for the past week after coming off our lows, a nice bounce off the 320s, and now this big green bullish candle closing above all of this right now. So this is looking really, really strong. Sense of direction once it seems to want to go higher. So the next level we're looking at is 342 for a break there, and then it's off to the races for all-time highs, right back to where we were. So good confirmation, good buy signals today. I am extremely bullish on the overall market at this point in time. So let's look at what some individual stocks are doing. Beyond Meat, one we've been looking at recently. Me and Greg are both in a position on this. Ever since this breakout above this high right here, you can see a little bit of chop over the past couple days. But today we continued and finished strong on Beyond Meat. If we zoom out a little bit more, you can see we're not really anywhere close to its all-time high, but we are getting very, very close to clearing a bunch of old resistance. So keep a lookout on Beyond Meat. This thing has room to run, and we are warning you, please do not miss this because this is looking beautiful. Let's look at Apple. We haven't really looked at Apple too much just because it's been really sucking, kind of following the overall market as it tends to do, and it's still kind of in a chop zone. You can see the past couple days kind of up, down, up, down. The next price I'm looking at on Apple would be, for one, a close above this little baby hammer right here last Thursday, but really ultimately probably right about 120s. Above the 120s, that's where I'm going to be watching Apple for a continuation higher. I'm not sure if that'll be this week or not, but it could happen. You know, like I said, Apple goes with the overall market, and if the market is strong, Apple will follow. And now the play of the day that me and Greg completely missed just because it moved too quick. But look at Square on this insane breakout. All-time high was right here. That was the all-time high close of 170, and we gapped above it and continued all day long. No pullbacks really. So it was frustrating to watch and not be in, but look at that chart on Square since March. That is insane. But now Square, all we can do is hope for a little retest of this price, 170, 171, 72, something, anywhere below where it's at right now for entering a position on that beautiful chart on Square. Peloton, same thing. We've been talking about this one quite a bit. We said when it broke out of this zone right here, 98, really above 100, it was going to pop, and it is still popping. Doesn't look like it's going to slow down just yet. Really, really strong days, really strong close today. You know, just steadily 3% every day. And when we do get a pullback, it's going to be a steal, especially with this whole virus. Peloton is killing the market for exercise equipment. So all the right signs to buy Peloton right now. AMD. This one is probably my favorite upcoming stock pick for when we break and close above right there, about 86.75. Possibly tomorrow for a day trade. This one could fly. Just what a great bounce off of this 73 support and ripping higher. So AMD is really good stock, really good company, and now the chart is starting to catch up to where it was about a month ago. So all-time highs in its forecast. NVDA, NVIDIA. Just wanted to look at this one for a potential day trade above 550, 553, and then it is kind of just the same kind of deal as a lot of other stocks. Let's look at this on a weekly chart real quick. Yeah, I mean, NVIDIA is extremely bullish, has been for a long time. It's just a matter of finding the right entry. And with this very bullish day, I'm not going to be really looking for a pullback. I'm going to be looking for a breakthrough. And this chart is telling me about 553 is when I would enter and try to get in and out. For a longer term position, I am definitely going to be waiting for a pullback, probably into this 10 EMA around the 520s. Not sure when or if that will happen, but NVIDIA looking good, and we're going to finish out with SBUX. Ooh. You already know I'm liking this one. Right there, bam, bam. And it closed just shy of 80. 88.61 is that close on this red day, September 3rd. And when we pop above it, watch out. You might have to buy a bigger screen so you can see that green candle continue. So, SBUX, AMD, Square, Beyond Meat, those are my 4 that I am going to be paying attention to this week. Market is looking strong. Trump getting over this virus. People are hopeful and people are buying stocks. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you guys are slaying the markets, and we will be back with you tomorrow for your next stock review. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. See you on the next one.